What happens when Bugatti takes all the rules of car manufacturing, tosses them out the window, and says, let's build the fastest, most extreme car the world has ever seen? You get the Bugatti Bolide, a machine so powerful, so light, and so aggressive, it feels like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. But don't let its beauty fool you. The Bolide isn't just a hypercar, it's a hyper beast. Today, we're diving deep into this masterpiece to uncover what makes it one of the most insane cars ever built. First up, the heart of this monster, the 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. We're talking about 1,850 horsepower. That's more power than some small planes. And with a weight of just 1,240 kilograms, the Bolide is lighter than your average compact car. Think about that for a second. Every single horsepower is only moving 0.67 kilograms. That's insane. The Bolide goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.17 seconds. And if you're brave enough to keep the pedal down, it'll top out at an eye-watering 310 miles per hour. But speed alone doesn't make a legend. What sets the Bolide apart is its incredible aerodynamics. Every curve, every vent, every scoop is there for a reason. That roof scoop? It adjusts airflow to reduce drag at high speeds. The massive rear wing? It generates enough downforce to keep the Bolide glued to the track, even at mind-bending speeds. This car isn't just about straight-line performance, it's a track weapon. Bugatti didn't just build the Bolide for speed records, they engineered it for precision. Thanks to its lightweight construction and advanced suspension, it carves corners like a race car. Inside, the Bolide is all business. Forget the luxury you'd expect from Bugatti. This cockpit is stripped down and focused, lightweight racing seats, a fighter jet-inspired steering wheel, and displays that give you only the information you need when pushing this car to its limits. And how about those looks? It's not just a car, it's a work of art. Those X-shaped taillights? They're inspired by fighter jets, and they make the Bolide look like it's ready to take off. But what makes the Bolide truly special isn't just the numbers or the design, it's the reaction it gets. This car is a symbol of what's possible when engineers dream big and refuse to settle for anything less than perfection. So, here's the question, is the Bugatti Bolide the ultimate hypercar? Or is it a little too extreme, even for Bugatti? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you love cars as much as we do, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on the world's most incredible machines.